Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would deliver the sermon, his eyes would get red, his voice would rise high and become extremely fervid, and it seemed that he were fighting from an army which was about to make an assault in the morning or evening. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, I and the hour have been sent like these two fingers. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then would join his index and middle fingers, and after extolling Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, remember, the best word is Allah's book, and the best code of conduct is that of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the worst act is innovation, and each innovation is heresy. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would then say, I deserve the most to hold sway over the life of each believer. Whosoever leaves any property, it will go to his inheritors, and whosoever leaves a debt or a family, it is my responsibility. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2002.